Hello everyone, this is a Moss WF Series 52-inch in polished brass finish from about the mid-80s. I got this on Kijiji in August. It's got GE vents, which is really cool for a top mount fan. It's got a very chunky rounded switch housing. It was made in Hong Kong, so it has a really big motor. I think it's called the pancake motor. It's a very wide motor. Looks like a little bit like a UFO. And it's double club mounted, so that canopy up there is a slide up canopy, not a ball and socket canopy. Here's the very big motor. It takes pretty much all of the place in the housing. WF Series, made in Hong Kong. It's very heavy. It's heavier than the Four Seasons top mount I have. This one is about 16 pounds without the blades. And the finish on the blade is not original. It used to have a very weird kind of finish on the blade. The original finish on those blades is supposed to be like a dark printed, like a fake dark printed oak finish, but the previous owner have painted it with some kind of a, I don't know exactly what it was. It was really ugly. It looked like if it was like sand or cork, I don't know exactly, but it was like a sand color and it was all rough to touch. So I sand all of that off and I refinish. Well, not, I didn't use wood stain. I only used varnish to put on the blades. And the varnish, like the wood was like very pale at some point after I finished sanded, and I just put like some varnish on it, and it created this beautiful pecan, or you can also call it like a honey oak finish, maybe. This beautiful golden finish you see there. So now it's glossy. And that weird stuff was all over the blades, not only on the wood part here, but also on the cane. And like you can see, I left it on the cane, because on the cane it's okay, it was okay. It was just not, it was just like really ugly, the fact that I have put it like all over the blade. The point of having cane blades is to have, the cane should be a different color, like a different tone than the wood here. This is supposed to be like a wood finish, and this is okay if it's kind of a beigeish color, so I left it for the cane. Anyway, I could not have sanded on the cane, it would have destroyed the cane. I only sanded on the wood part all around, and I put I put about like 6 layers of varnish. So this is what it looks like, this kind of weird thing that was on the blade. And the plain side of the blades still have their original dark printed oak finish. It came all complete with the original double claw hook, all the screws, everything. I was expecting this fan to be super powerful, and it's an exception. It's actually one of those fans that runs on pitch. It runs more like a Casablanca. It doesn't need to spin super fast to blow a lot of air. It actually spins pretty slow, but moves a good amount of air, so it's more like a Casa. It has a lot of pitch to the blades. So it's an exception. It's most of Hong Kong fans will go super fast on their full speed, and this one doesn't, but it still moves a lot of air. So it's actually cool that it doesn't need to spin like so fast to blow so much air. Okay, so here it is on high speed. You saw that has a lot of torque in it. The motor like twists a little when you start it. I'm not kidding, it doesn't go any faster than that. It's about 160 RPMs. Very slow for a fan of this kind. But, I mean, moves so much air. Shakes a little bit on medium and high, but the bearings are totally soundless. It has a very deep hum to it. It's still very quiet. It would be okay to sleep with that in a bedroom, no problem. Definitely not. Here it is on medium speed. Makes a really cool sound when it slows down from high to medium. Makes like one of those airplane sounds. Must be about 100 RPMs maybe. 100, 110 RPMs about. Low speed. It does about maybe 55, 60 RPMs around. Thank you for watching.